Hi guys, welcome to Life Elite Fitness. Today we're going to give you our top 5 tips for prioritizing exercise in your home.
Me and Madison are crazy busy. We both work full-time jobs. We also have part-time gigs. And then on top of it, we care about your fitness. We bring Life Elite to the table to influence the masses. You guys take a lot of energy. On top of that, we have 2 puppies.
Yeah.
These dogs, oh my goodness. But anyhow.
They're like sleeping on the floor.
But no, really what this video is about is your guys' schedules, how to make sure fitness is happening, 3 to 5 times a week, and it's not these continuous excuses coming up of why you're not able to get into the shape that you deserve to be in.
So starting with number 1, our first tip is to schedule it on your calendar. And if you're like us, we literally live and die by our calendar. So we block out our entire week. Every single thing is blocked out. Everything from like free time, date night, workouts. We even block in the time that we're going to be at work on our day jobs, because if it's not on the calendar, again, it's not going to happen, or we're going to end up scheduling something over something else. So you have to have it on the calendar if you're going to make it happen. So we block in anywhere between an hour to an hour and a half for our workouts, and that includes like warm-ups, cardio, whatever else we're going to be doing. Sometimes it's only a shorter workout where we do like 30 to 45 minutes, but we still make sure like we block off an hour just so that we have a little bit of buffer time.
Like I said, we both have full-time jobs. So at this point, the full-time job, that 8 hours, is blocked out in the calendar, even though it's the same 8 hours. That's okay. You want to have that blocked off. Your workout should be blocked off just like the job is. At the same time, it happens. It becomes a must-do. All right, so the second one on the list, this is a big one. Plan your split ahead of time. You want to have periodization inside of your workout program where you're seeing those growth and gains happening, and that's what's motivating you to keep going forward. So planning your split and knowing what you're going to be doing at the gym is a key player.
Again, you don't have to totally plan out every single exercise necessarily. Daniel doesn't like to do that. He likes to just kind of show up into the gym and like figure it out when he gets there. And sometimes like the gym's really busy, so maybe you were planning on being on the squat rack all day, but there's like a line for the squat rack. So it's like obviously you're not going to be able to do squat rack that day, but you can do a different leg workout somewhere else, just not on the squat rack. But as long as you know like, okay, today I'm doing legs, or today is a push day, or today I'm doing HIIT. That's going to definitely help you be more motivated to go to the gym because you know exactly what you're going to be doing when you get there. It's really hard to show up to the gym with no plan, and I know some people who can do it, but it's very difficult, especially starting out, to show up to the gym with no plan.
And if you guys have any questions about splits, please leave a comment. We're always here ready to answer any questions, concerns that you have. Also, you can check out our Instagram. We're always doing workouts, and you can see our own splits that we do. So I definitely recommend that.
Okay, tip number 3 is never leave home without a gym bag. And this is this is something I started doing. I want to say it was like spring of this year, where I got into a really good rhythm of going to the gym, so I always had a gym bag with me. And sometimes like I wouldn't make it to the gym, but I would like still have my workout bag with me, so no matter what, like I had my stuff ready to go. So, but if you pack a workout bag every single day, no matter what, you've got your stuff with you. All you actually have to do is just go to the gym or work out at work or after work or whatever that looks like for you. As long as you have your stuff with you, you're always ready for a workout no matter where you are.
Never be ashamed if you don't have gear with you. It's okay. Go to the gym anyways. There's plenty of guys, and I'm speaking to the guys out here. I've seen guys in jeans and their undershirt with their dress shoes hitting the bench. It's okay.
That's so true.
I've got this one guy. He works construction during the evenings. He shows up at the gym. He's got to be there at 5:30 because I get to the gym at like 5:45. He's already on the squat rack, but he's in full construction boots. He's got his yellow visible shirt on, and he's crushing it. So at the same point, don't be embarrassed. Just get out there, make sure you're getting your workout in, because it's about you. You're paying that gym membership fee, get your workout in.
The other big part about having a gym bag with you is that if your schedule gets wonky, like ours does sometimes, when you have like events come up, family stuff comes up, you always have your stuff with you. So if you know like, oh, okay, my night just like got booked up, so I'm not gonna have a time to get to the gym tonight, you can maybe get your workout in on your lunch break, or go for a quick jog, get your running shoes on, go for a quick jog around the building on your lunch break, something like that. I've even seen people do like squats at their desk and do like little like office workouts just to get in like their their steps, or like how if they're doing like a squat challenge or something, get in all of their squats for the day. So there's tons of different ways you can get your workout in, but having your clothes with you will definitely be like a help on the days you don't feel like going to the gym. All you have to do is get there because you already have your stuff.
Once you start, can't stop. Get it done. So this is a big one. Accountability. I highly recommend accountability partner for everybody. I don't care if you're some extreme athlete that's training 18 hours a week. They're going to need accountability because they're going to be tired and they don't want to do their workouts. If you're the person that hasn't worked out in months, you need accountability to get started because you're in that same position where you're tired and you don't feel like doing it and you need that extra push. That's going to be a key factor. You're in that middle zone where you're like, I hit a workout probably once, twice a week. Get accountability because that's what's going to move you from working out once to twice a week to actually hitting that 3 to 5 times a week where you're going to see the real progression in your body.
This could be your lifting buddy at the gym, somebody who spots you while you're doing your chest press, or this could be like the person that goes jogging with you in the morning. I have a group of friends who go jogging at like 5 a.m. and it's horrible, but if they weren't there, I definitely wouldn't go. So it's like if you have anybody like that in your life, but spouses and like significant others are a great person to have accountability with.
I got a buddy who got a dog. And
That's a good one.
he feels bad for the dog. So it's like he doesn't feel bad for himself, like, whatever. But the dog, oh my God, I gotta take care of him. I gotta get him on a walk. This guy's been getting in amazing shape. It's fantastic. The other one that's key is if there's anything concerns about splits or muscle groups or progression in exercises, and then on top of it, you're needing accountability, highly recommend looking into a trainer. That is what they do. I mean, that's the big reason, honestly, why people get trainers is because of the accountability. So I definitely take advantage of that.
And tip number 5 is no matter what, get your workout in. When your workout becomes a non-negotiable in your life, and this sounds a lot like easier said than done, when you make your workout a non-negotiable, like you say no to going out for drinks with friends or staying late at the office or whatever you have planned to make sure you get your workout in, when it becomes that important to you, you will make sure that you get your workout done no matter what. And like it's definitely a mindset shift, and like you will have to say no to other things sometimes, but at the same time, like this is time for you, and that's how you're really going to see the changes in your body and make that habit. And if you follow our other steps here, you definitely can make it to where this fits into your lifestyle. Like everyone can have time for exercise, you just have to make it a priority.
All right, so we got the bonus one. I know there was only supposed to be 5, but the reality is this last one is a key piece of making sure you're sticking to your workouts, and that's having fun. We got to make these things fun, because if they're not fun, you're not going to do it. People always lean towards pleasure. So whatever you're doing for your workouts, make sure you keep them entertaining, make sure you keep them fun and not too painful, just a little painful. All right, so if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We got another video coming out next week. We're gonna be talking about meal prepping, how to conserve time, because that's our big thing. We gotta keep that time for ourselves so we can do what we want with our life. Part of that's getting healthy too, so you can do all the things that you know you wanna do that are on that bucket list.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because we make new videos every Monday with tips and tricks on how to live a healthy lifestyle. And on Fridays, we have new workouts every single week here on our channel. So make sure you check those out. And those will be great inspiration if you're just starting out in your fitness journey and you're not sure how to work out. We have tons of workouts on there for all different fitness levels. So again, make sure you subscribe. How many times have I said subscribe? Please subscribe.
Said it once.
I
might have said it twice.
I think I said it twice.
Yeah. I'm just saying, if you like this, let's get
subscribe.
It done.
And you guys will see you on Friday with a Flex Friday workout. Bye, guys.
Bye.